When it comes to getting your HP pen or HP Tilt pen ready to use, the steps are quite simple here, so they depend on whether your pen uses a battery or has a built-in rechargeable system. So there are two types of devices here, again, like what I said before, a rechargeable one and also a battery-powered one. So for battery-powered HP pens, are quite the easiest one to set up here. Now, all you need to do is you just need to twist or pull off the cap here, slide in the battery with the positive end going in first, and close it back up. Now, once the battery is in place, you want to press the pen tip against your laptop's touchscreen here, and the device should recognize it right away without needing extra steps here. Now, as soon as the pen connects, finger touch is turned off, so the screen responds only to the pen, making it smoother for writing and drawing. Now, for rechargeable HP pens, it takes a slightly different approach here. Now, first, you want to give your pen or the pen a full charge here. Now, you know it's ready when the small LED light stops glowing. Now, on your laptop, you want to open up the Bluetooth menu and basically select the Add a New Device option on your screen. Now, again, you may need to choose the Bluetooth option here that includes pens. Now, in here, just click on the Add Device, and from then on, you want to go ahead and just do a few things on your actual pen here. Now, while doing this, you want to hold down the button at the base of the pen until the LED starts flashing blue. That means it's in pairing mode here. Now, the pen should pop up in your Bluetooth list. Tap it to connect, and within seconds, it'll be ready to use. Now, once paired or powered up, your HP pen works instantly for note-taking, sketching, or navigation. Whether you're using the battery version or the rechargeable one, the setup is quite quick and gets you straight into your task. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.